Have you all have nose, ma? How many nose? Okay. How many nostrils are there?
One nose, two holes.
Huh? Two. Two nostrils are there. Right side and the left side. Okay. See, automatically our body is in such a way, without our realization or without our concentration, each second, each minute of our life, we are taking oxygen and we are releasing. What is that? Yes. So, always we are taking through the right nostrils we have to take in, breathe in, and the left we have to breathe out. Simultaneously we have to do this exercise. First time 10 times with right nostril, and then we have to breathe out with left nostril, and again with left nostril we have to breathe in, and then with right nostril we have to breathe out. Okay? No need of closing your eyes. And your ASPL will lead you how to do the breathe in and breathe out exercise. So just you observe in the center now. Just come here. So that yeah. Just look at her. We are going to do the 5 exercises of breathing. The first one, we are going to just relax. Like this. Okay, you are going to sit. The first one, we are going to do counting. First one, you are going to keep the same thing. And fourth one, you are going to keep the fingers like this. And fifth one, you are going to see the beginning of the last one, relaxing. So, 5 exercises. We are going to count the 5 times, each one. So just we are going to take breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in means you have to take your breathing inside, and breathe out means you have to take the hair have to come outside slowly. Okay, shall we do it? Are you ready? So you should not disturb your mind here and there. Sit straight all of you and look at here, and you can open your eyes. Let's start. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Relax. Keep relaxed. The second one breathing. Second one breathing. Keep your fingers, take it to your nose, all of you. And first which one is starting right? Do it first on the right one. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Left nose,
Change your fingers to the left nose. The same one, left nose. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Both hands. Keep on the hands on your thighs. Look at here. Just